Hey, what's up everyone? Josh Quinones here, and today's video is for all of my Android users out there that are switching over from an Android device over to a brand new iPhone device for the very first time. Today I'm going to show you how you can move over your contacts from your Android phone over to your iPhone with some very simple, easy, and quick steps. No wires are necessary, no computer is necessary. Everything can be done on the devices themselves. Now, if you have been an Android user for a very long time, you'll know that switching over contacts to another Android device is basically as simple as signing into your email account. As long as your contacts are synced with that email, once you sign into that email on another Android device, your contacts are automatically moved over. While it is not the same story with an iPhone device, we have to take some different steps to get there. But like I said, it is very simple, easy, and quick. So let's go ahead and get started. First thing you want to do is go into your settings on your Android device and make sure your contacts are synced with your email. So I'm going to go ahead and go into accounts here, manage accounts, and I'm going to click on the email that I use with my contacts, sync account, and then you want to make sure contacts right here is on. That way you can make sure that your contacts are syncing with your email before you move on to the next steps. So let me go ahead and go home now. The next thing we want to do is go into the browser, and then you're going to want to go to contacts.google.com. Now you can do this on either device, either on the iPhone or the Android device. I'm already here on the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, so we're going to go ahead and do everything on here first. So again, contacts.google.com. Now I'm going to go ahead and press go. Let that load up there. And there we are. So what you're going to want to do is make sure that you are signed in if you are not signed in already. For me, it is already signed in. So what I'm going to do is select all contacts by clicking on one contact. And as you can see, it does show a little blue arrow. And then what we want to do is click on this little part up here and click all. And then it will highlight all of my contacts for me. And then once I select all contacts, I'm going to select the three dots right here. And then I'm going to export. So export, it'll show up as print, export, hide from contacts, or delete. I'm gonna go ahead and click on export right there. And then we're gonna choose a vCard for iOS contacts. Let me go ahead and get this a little bit closer here. vCard for iOS contacts. So you wanna make sure you select that right there. And then just press export and the file will download. As you can see, just click right there, download, and then it's going to start downloading. So that's it for that. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of this page here. The next thing we wanna do is go back into the browser and go into iCloud.com. So I'm gonna go ahead and go into iCloud.com. Okay, so I am signed into my iCloud account. Now that is one thing that you do want to make sure you do before doing this is create your own iCloud account. Otherwise, this will not work. I probably should have said that in the beginning of the video, but yes, make sure you create yourself an iCloud account. Now, as you can see here, it gives me 4 options right here at the bottom, but these are not the options that I want. So I'm gonna go ahead and go into desktop site. And as you can see, more options will pop up. So now what I'm gonna do from here is go into contacts. Now, since I've already done this, it's already showing me the contacts that I have on my iPhone device. But for somebody new, if this is your first time doing this, it's going to be completely blank right here. So what you're going to want to do from here is down at the bottom left corner, there's a little settings button. So you want to click on that and then import vCard. And then go into your files. And then for me, I'm going to click on recent since I recently just downloaded this. And then you're going to click on contacts VCF. Go ahead and click on that, and it's going to start downloading those contacts onto this account. So from there, you're pretty much done with that. Once all those contacts are done downloading to your iCloud account, now you're going to want to go over to your iPhone, go into the settings here, go to your iCloud, and make sure contacts is turned on right here. You want to make sure that is synced with your iCloud. It's most likely going to be off if it is a brand new device. All you're going to want to do is click that on. Then you can try restarting your device. But once you click that on, your contacts are automatically going to sync into your iPhone here. And if I go into my contacts, boom, all the contacts show up here on my iPhone. So as you can see, some pretty easy, simple steps without requiring any wires to hook up both phones. You don't need a computer. Everything can be done on the devices themselves. It's a few more steps than if you were to transfer over from one Android phone to another Android phone. Like I said, all you got to do is basically just sign in to your email account. It's a little bit different here, but I really hope that this video was able to help you out if you are new to iPhones, as I am as well. This is my first iPhone that I have ever owned. It did take me a while to kind of figure this out on how to transfer over my contacts from my Galaxy Note 20 Ultra to my new iPhone, but I figured it out. So I thought I'd share it with you guys who are new to iPhones as well. Let me know what you think down in the comment sections below. If this video did help you out, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos like this. Also hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other videos. Thank you guys so very much for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.